Dean from Knifetechnz, and just wanting to introduce our VSharpener. Here we have a domestic model that we've created. It's a guide with a steel, and the spring is just to give the motion of the natural feel of a steel. So basically we have a knife, and a knife is traditionally, it needs a straight edge in order to stay sharp. So the concept of this is to put the knife in, put it against the angle and draw through. The knife in, against the angle and draw through. Here I like to usually demonstrate on a tomato. So this one here, the knife's slightly dulled, so doesn't cut as well. We put it through the guide. We go left, right, left, right. Go back through. Here we have our commercial model. The commercial model is sold as a guide only, and you can pick up a steel. This is a New Zealand based steel, and there are other models, but these springs are designed to go to a +1 tolerance, up or down. So basically it's got a wound end, and that wound end goes on the steel and it screws onto the steel in the direction the spring is. To use it permanently, I usually keep it at the top. Same concept, put the knife in, against the angle, draw through. Knife in, against the angle, draw through. Not a lot of pressure, downward pressure is required. If you're wanting to use this at a professional level and still wanting to use your hand steel, then basically we screw the guide down to the base. Here's a boning knife, and so we can still use the hand steel if we want to, and we have the guide at the base just to bring that edge up straight. So what this does is gives the ability to do both sides evenly, and that's where a lot of problems are, where people, when we're doing freehand styling, we tend to roll our edge over. And so even with this, if we go on one side, then what we'll tend to do is we'll roll it over one side. So it's actually doing it evenly on both sides. One thing I do to check when I'm seeing if the edge is rolled is I just run the thumb that way or drag it across. Don't run your finger up the blade. So just going across, so if you find that you're being a little bit heavy-handed on one side, then you're able to just gently pull it through. So this is all about angles rather than pressure, strength, the amount of times. As your knife wears, which it naturally does, then you'll go from a couple on either side to maybe up to 4. If your knife's really blunt, then obviously this is where it needs sharpening. So a hand steel in the guide is about honing your knife, which is keeping that maintenance up. But once it's blunt, it needs resharpening. So once again, got nice sharp edges. Both of these tools, this one comes with a hand steel and is a domestic model. This one here is the guide only, and so you're buying that. You can buy the steel as well, but if you're going to do that, then you might as well buy this unit here because they do just the same jobs. I'm Dean from Knifetechnz, and hopefully you've enjoyed that. And check out our website www.knifetechnz.co.nz. Thank you.